Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did almost everything off camera. For foundation, nothing has changed. Concealer is still the same. The powders are still the same. For lips, I did change it up. So for lips, I used the MAC Cork lip liner and I just topped it off with Over the Top from Dose of Color. And the palette I'm going to be using today is the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm also going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. First shade I'm going to take is Prick. And I also already primed my lids. I used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. So I'm going to go into the crease and I'm going to be really careful. Before going any further, I'm going to go ahead and add some Laura Mercier translucent powder just to catch all the fallout. So I am also gonna round it out, and I'm gonna be really careful because I don't want it to go up so much. And I'm gonna go in, this is like a clean brush. It is kind of stained because I used it to blend out in the other eye, but I'm just gonna blend out the edges. And now I'm gonna go in with Fresh Meat, and I'm just gonna take that same blending brush and I'm just gonna put it, I'm gonna place the shadow lower. Now I'm gonna go into Coma, and now I'm just gonna take a smaller blending brush and add this to the crease also and darken it up. So now I'm just going to start blending all these shades together with that same brush that I used to blend. Alright, so now I'm also going to add some to the outer corner, some of that Coma color. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard and start cutting that crease out. The next shade I'm going to go into is Cavity, and I'm just going to add it wherever I cut the crease. And guys, let me tell you, these shadows are so pigmented. It's crazy. So now I'm just going to line my lids. So to lay my lids, I'm going to use the MAC Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my color lashes in Fuego. So while my lashes dry, I am going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line. First shade I'm going to go into is Fresh Meat. And now I'm just going to take Coma. right now. So I just popped my lashes. I am going to go ahead and add some bottom lash mascara while they dry. And I'm also gonna add some highlighter. I'm gonna add some to the inner corner. I'm also gonna add some to the brow bone. I'm also gonna add some to the cheekbones. So now I'm just gonna wet my brush with some of the Eviance facial spray and go over where I put the highlight. And the highlighter I used was the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter. And yeah, this was the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!